How to log in Temu account. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To log in Temu account, first of all, you have to make sure to install and download Temu application. For that, head towards Play Store, search for Temu Shop Like a Billionaire app. Tap Install, and once it is installed, tap Open to access Temu app. Now tap Sign in at bottom right corner to log in Temu account. You will get access to this section where you can continue with Google, Facebook, email, or phone number to log in into Temu account. For now, let's select Continue with Google and enter your Google account. Tap on bottom center of the Use section. And after that, as you can see that we have successfully logged into our Temu account. Further, you can also log into your Temu account through the official website of Temu from any of the browser instead of application as well. So in this way, you can successfully log into Temu account. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.